Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I am a skincare specialist, a holistic nutritionist, and today I am going to talk about using the facial toner from Youngerlift. But before I do, please like and share this video because I would really like to hear from you, so leave me a comment. I'm 63 and I have my own skincare line called Youngerlift, and you can go to youngerlift.com and then you would also find this. I'll put this in the description box. So I did do a previous video a few years ago and it was how to use Nuface, but I no longer use Nuface because I am using this instead. And I'd like to tell you all the things that it does and also do a little demo for you. So if it has 3 different levels, so if you do the first level, it will, it's very surface, and it's good if your skin looks tired. It will make your skin look a little more lively. And if you use it on the second level, then you'll be at the medium phase, and what that does is it's good for the under eye area if you have puffs or dark circles, and also for contouring the whole face. So this medium level is really great. I also have something else. If your issue is to go underneath the eye and you have puffiness, you have dark circles, lines, wrinkles, then I would also use the Herbal Eye Gel. And the Herbal Eye Gel, it feels amazing, and it's cucumber, and it will help with that. Now, I had a situation where I had to go to an event in the morning. I didn't have this with me. I was out of town, and I looked in the mirror, and here with my left eye was just really puffy. I must have slept on it or something, and I thought, oh great, that's not going to look so good today. And then I thought, well, I'm just going to do the eye gel, and I put this blue eye gel underneath, patted it on, rubbed it towards the outside, and I just looked in the mirror and I just saw it just tighten and that puff go away. So I was pretty impressed that it was there for my emergency. I use it every day otherwise, but usually I don't have that puffiness, so I couldn't see that immediate result that can be seen using this. And you can put this on and then put this on a very low level and go over your eye too, so that you have 2 different ways to work on it. So anyway, if you then go to the 3rd level on this device, then you can do the Nasolabial folds, and also will help with the neck wrinkling. So that's the 3 levels, but it also has EMS, which is electric muscle stimulation, and you'll be able to feel kind of a pulse from that. It also has radio frequency, and what that is it's warm and it goes deep in your skin, and it will help build collagen in the deeper levels. And then it has a red light, and so the red light is LED light, and it's good for inflammation. So it's anti-inflammatory, and it also helps even your skin tone if you have some spots, and it also helps stimulate collagen. So it's quite a tool. It has all kinds of things. So you know, when you come at skincare from all different angles like that, and then you also use the Youngerlift Youth Gel Peptide, and peptide helps to build collagen. You've got a lot of tools in your arsenal for anti-aging, and it makes you feel great too. I love using this. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I would do is to get your, well, of course, cleanse your face. I'm just going to do one side, and I'm only going to do one pass so that this doesn't take so long. But we're going to start with the Youth Gel, and I'm going to start with my neck. This is a very important area to, especially us girls, because it your neck ages 5 years faster than your face. And then the next quick aging area is underneath your eyes, because it's such a it's thinner skin underneath your eyes. It's also thinner on your neck, but the muscles tend to kind of atrophy earlier too. So this is great for that. So I'm going to put this on level 3 for the neck, and you're going to really feel this. I'm only going to go again one time so that you can see what to do. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to go very slowly. You'll really be able to feel that. And so I'm going to go kind of at an angle. You're going to avoid this area here, which is the thyroid area, and you're going to do that 3 times, up and hold. You're also going to go a little behind your ear so that you can tighten the neck from back there. And then we're going to go up here and a little bit over your jaw, and the same over the jaw, and then about here and up, so that we're again avoiding here. And we're going to do each of those 3 times. So you're going to go at an angle 3 times, you're going to go back behind the neck and go straight up and over your jawline 3 times. Then we're going to do the jawline, and when you come up here, you can hold and go up and just keep going from this sort of the center of your face up towards your ear. And when you get up to your ear, you're going to hold. And so we're going to do this 3 times. I'm only going to do it 1 time, but you're going to want to do this 3 times. I need a little more gel, like I ran out. So some more of this gel. It is it's very silky. It feels really great and loaded with peptides and B6, B3, sorry. So we're going to keep going up and holding and going up and holding, going up and holding. So after you've done that 3 times, then we're going to work on this level. So we'll still be at the level 3, which is the Nasolabial Fold. And I'm going to hold that, hold and lift. And you're going to be able to, as you feel it pulse, let it pulse 3 times. And then I'm going to move a little bit more. And again, you're going to wait for 3 pulses because you will feel that pulse. And I'm just going to keep going along this whole line here. And now I can feel it in my eye. My eye is a little bit of twitching right here. And we're going to hold that. So you're going to do that 3 times. Then we want to go around the eye. So we're going to hold up here and out to the side. And then I'm going to turn it down to 2, because 2 is the level for the around the eye area. So I'm going to put a little bit of extra, put a little bit of gel on here, and I'm going to do the Herbal Eye underneath here too. And so I'll put some of that here, and then we're going to turn this down. I'm going to turn it down to 2. I'm going to do very gentle, slow sweeping and hold. And again, slow sweeping. Okay, so you're going to do that 3 times. Don't do it any more than that if you do the gel, because that's a lot of stimulation under your eye. And then I'm going to put it back on 3. I'm just going to use the 2 for underneath the eye. And don't get it near your eye, but you're going to go just under your eyebrow, and you're going to hold that for 3 pulses. I'm going to move it a little bit further over, hold it for 3 pulses. Now this might be too much for you because I can feel it quite a bit. You might want to stay just here, or you might even have to move it down to 2 around your eyes, because that is, I'm feeling that pretty strongly. Yeah, you might want to just do 2 if you're anywhere near your eye area. Then I'm going to move it back to 3 and go above the eyebrow. If you're like me, you get lines up here, and so it helps with those forehead lines that are above your eyebrow. So I'm going to put some more gel here, and I'm going to go above. I like to be right underneath the eyebrow and then move up from there. Might take off my eyebrow pencil, but it's okay. Because you'll be using no makeup when you do yours. So of course when I do this at home, I have my face cleansed and exfoliated. And you're going to do that 3 times. Okay, so, and then I would go back here. This is very important. And hold. So you're going to go right in front of your ear and pull it up slowly and hold, and you're going to do that 3 times. So that is about it. And I would do this at least 5 times a week to start. And then after about a month, you can go down to like every other day, 3 times a week, something like that. And I think you'll really enjoy it. It feels amazing, and it does great things for your skin. And so I will put this in the description box. It comes in a kit like this, and it has the gel, and it has the tool and full instructions. And then I would also, if you want the absolute best, I would also add the Herbal Eye Gel, and you'll really enjoy that. So thanks a lot, and I will see you next time.